Look, if we want to internationalize, how can we best go about this? Before we started our renewed international adventure, we first decided to profile our company on one of the largest industry trade fairs and see what business would come our way. I am convinced that any company looking to internationalize has to attend trade fairs. You cannot do them all because they're quite expensive, but nothing compares to trade fairs in terms of the efficiency in facilitating internationalization.
There is really a big trade fair in our sector, ISH, in Frankfurt, every 2 years. That is a high mass of sanitary ware.
This is an extremely important tool in promoting your company to possible partners and customers. First, it is extremely efficient. Everybody in your industry will visit. Second, you also meet the right people there. Anybody, that is somebody in your industry, will be there. Third, companies want to meet and find out who they will be dealing with. The chances of companies contacting you are remote, but on a trade fair, you can show the world who you are and what you are capable of. You show them references. You show them what you are working on. We are present here as a company to show what we are good at. These days, you can have a nice website and good social media, but on a trade fair, you can get your message across. In a short period of time, you can have a conversation which clarifies much more than any mail, call, or website can realize. As such, trade fairs are extremely important for a company and its internationalization. The regions where we are currently active have all grown organically from our presence on international trade fairs. The mere fact that we posted that we were going to be present on the ISH trade fair got us the attention of agents and distributors that were already following us. But also their competitors and other distributors take notice and ask to collaborate. And that's how our business started. We built up locally, and then, through our contacts, we started to internationalize into Germany, the Netherlands, and the UK. That is how we started to grow in Europe.
And the other markets that we did not know, that are too far away for us to know, they also came calling.
We are currently supplying a number of larger sanitary ware producers, whereby we are selling our own branded products. We often select the smaller player in the market, who has more to gain from our collaboration. This is more important than picking the largest distributor or dealer, who might have competing products and might not be as interested in growing our business. We basically follow where our products take us, given that sales in this phase of our development is more important than strategically deciding on our next international market. We don't do that quite yet.